Hello everyone! Ngayon po gagawa tayo ng easy lunch recipe. So, ito pong gagawin natin is easy lang yung mga ingredients and hindi po kailangang magluto. Parang gagamit lang tayo ng microwave and that's it. So, let's start guys. Gagawa po tayo ng mushroom toast. First ingredients is yung bread and we have cheese, and we have sliced mushroom, yung cans po yan na sliced mushroom, this one, and then we need cream of mushroom, 1 can, 284 ml. So ang ingredients po natin is 1, 2, 3, 4 only, so easy. So let's start with first thing, i-mix po natin yung cream of mushroom sa mushroom. Okay, like this. It's looking good. Ayan, ang bango ng mushroom. Ayan. Natin yung nasa loob. And then you mix it. Ooh. Looks yummy, huh? Like this. Okay, next step, pag na-mix na po natin yung cream of mushroom tsaka yung mushroom, is let's use the microwave. Okay. So, ipapainit po natin sa microwave for 3 minutes. Yan. Habang pinapainit po natin yung mushroom sa microwave, i-start na po nating i-toast yung ating bread. There. Depende ko po kung anong gusto niyo, yung parang toast na toast talaga siya or there. Maybe we'll just put it a little bit higher. Ayan. So we'll wait. Tapos na po yung na-toast yung tinapay natin, and then we'll put it there. I-move natin yan, guys. And then let's get our mushroom. There you go. Ooh. Oh. Nice and hot. Look, guys. Ayan, and then, ilagay po natin sa top. Ayan siya. Oh, it's okay. Para malagyan lahat ng side niya. Parang pang 2 bread yata ito. Para i-cover niya yung sa side. Ayan. Oh, looks good. Dagdagan natin yung isa. Ayan siya. And then, let's put your cheese on top, guys. There you go. Ooh. And then the other one. I think that's good. Okay. Ayan, nagdagan natin yung isa that nagre-reklamo. Sabi niya, bakit nasa kanya lahat? Okay, yan. There for you. Okay. And our finished product, it's a mushroom toast. Ayan, masarap po yan. Simple and easy. Parang mga less than 10 minutes lang. Ayan guys, tapos na po yung easy recipe natin, yung mushroom toast. And titignan po natin, itatry ni Nicole, and let's see what she thinks. And thank you for watching, and don't forget po na mag-like, comment, and subscribe sa aking channel. And abangan nyo po next year, meron po tayong surprise para sa inyong lahat, sa aking mga subscribers. Thank you! Ayan, itatry na po ni Nicole yung ginawa nating mushroom toast. Ang kuwain ko. So, ano na, Nicole, what's the verdict? Oh, ayun na. Ano daw yun? Heart at saka circle and thumbs up. Okay. Ayan, guys. Delicious.
Yan, masa?